Okay, not the best way to start a new year. This grout failed. The adhesive did not stick. Wet. So I've disconnected the taps, disconnected the trap. I've lifted it up a little bit, you can see. So I got to take that off, take that out. I should take a picture first or two just to see how it looks right now. But so that's it. I got to take all the tiles off, regrout it with the good stuff. Now this is the good stuff. And I had some Unibond that I used, and I'm not using that again. One failure is too many. So I wasn't really happy with this edge over here. So in a way, it's nice. I mean, the front turned out pretty good. So what I had to do, I don't like those little tiny ones, but it's actually not too bad. So hopefully I won't have to do too much cutting. I'd like to make those a little bit bigger this time. Push this tiles up a little bit so I can make sure I can get a nice, or either bring that one level. I'm not sure, I'll have to figure that out in a minute. So, but I want a nice straight edge, and it's raining outside where I'm cutting the tiles, so don't want to be spending a lot of time out there either. So, and then the other issue is she wants to make sure we have an extra positive drain in the back, so that's sloping towards the front of the sink, not into the corner. So that's it for now.